Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3 from exercise 9.5. Exercise 9.5 chapter 9 algebraic expressions and identities. Question number 3, find the following squares by using identities. Now see the question, see first question number 1, b minus 7 whole square. By seeing this you can easily identify that it is a minus b whole square. We can do this easily. So take it is as a and it is as b, a and b. We can consider it is as a and this one as b. This will be a minus b whole square. So what I will do, using a minus b whole square identities, using a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This identity we will use here and we will write b minus 7 whole square equal to b square. That means this one is our a here, b square minus 2b into 7 plus 7 square. What can I get here? B square minus 14b plus 49. Understood? This is our question number 1. Now come to question number 3. Okay. Now in question number 3, what can I see? 6x square minus 5y square. What is the question here? This is our A and this is our B. The complete 6x square is our A and we will consider as our A, and this we will consider 5y we will consider as B. So 6x square we can consider as A and 5y we will consider as B. And using a minus b whole square as we have done here, using a minus b whole square because this is also a minus b. So using a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, we can start here by using these identities. 6x square minus 5y whole square equal to 6x square whole square. This is our a, so a square minus 2 6x square into 5y plus 5y square. 6x square whole square, 6 into 6 36, x square into square x to the power 4 minus 2 5s are 10, 10 6 is 16 x square y plus 5 5s are 25 y square. Understood? Come to the next sum. So we can do see the sum 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n whole square. So we can consider it is as a plus b whole square because plus is there and the same number square is there, so a plus b whole square. 2 by 3m whole square plus 2 into 2 by 3m 2a, this is we are considering as a and this one we are considering as b. 2a b plus 3 by 2, this is our b n whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, now do this one. 2 2s are 4 by 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 m square plus we can cancel 2 and 2 here, 2 3s are 6, 3 3 also you can cancel, so 2 m plus 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4 n square. So we have to identify in out of these three identity, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a plus b into a minus b or a square minus b square, these three identities, among these three identities which one will be suitable for these sums. Now in this question number 4, we will simplify here. Question number 4, 1, a square minus b square whole square. We will consider a square as complete a. We will consider as a square is equal to a, or you can consider a square is equal to x and b square is equal to y, and we will see that it will be x square minus x minus y whole square. So what I can write here? We can write a minus, we will identify that is a minus b whole square identity will be suitable for this. So what I will do, this is our a, so a square minus 2ab plus b square, b is b square, so b square. Now what I can see, a to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b to the power 4. Next question number, yes it is 2, question number 2, 2x plus 5 whole square. Now 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. This one I will break it. I use identity a plus b whole square and minus, and this here I can use a minus b whole square. Here we can use a square minus b square also, but as because you are the beginner, you are using this some identities first time, so we will go with the long process only. So a plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, then this minus, then you will do this one, 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 5 plus 5 square. So what I can see, 4x square plus 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20x plus 5 5s are 25 minus, inside the bracket you will keep because minus is outside, afterwards all the sign will be changed. Now it will be 4x square, 2 to the 4, x into x square minus 20x plus 5 5s are 25. Now square this work of this inside the bracket we have already over. Now we will open the bracket, as minus is outside, so be careful when you are opening the bracket. 4x square plus 20x plus 25 plus 25, then minus 4x square plus 20x minus 25. Now what I can see that it is plus 4x square, here it is minus 4x square, here it is plus 25, here it is minus 25, we can cancel it. Now only 20x and 20x, what we will get? 40x. Understood? This is the answer of this sum. Now you need to practice all these sums. Question number 3, few sums we have done using identities, and question number 4 only 2 sums we have done. Practice it, students. Thank you.